Hello, viewer. Well, I've got to trim down, cut up the cherry branches that fell off of the tree. And although I have sprayed herbicide over most of this garden, lots of stuff has popped back up again. So just to make sure that I don't trip over any of the weeds, brambles, whatever, I'm going to take the scythe to this little area here so that it's relatively flat, so that when I cut up those branches, I can just put them into bags, cart them around without falling over myself. So let's get on with it. I wouldn't want to do a whole garden this way. Wow. It's a bit early, so I'm not going to get the chainsaw out just yet in case I wake up the neighbours. I'm going to go off and tidy up inside and then come back a little bit later. See you in a sec. Hello, viewer. I mentioned a while ago that there's a branch came down. It's a second branch also that came down from the cherry tree. You can see that it's been torn off over there and the other one's been torn off, so it must have been a big wind. Obviously I can burn some of the bigger bits of wood, but these little branches, they just have to get cut off and taken to the déchetterie. So I'll cut those off, put them in the bags, ready to go to the bin, and then if I have time, I'll saw up the branches into bite-sized pieces and put them over there somewhere. Okay. froth taken off. I think I might have to go and get the chainsaw now. I might still have time to take these 3 bags to the dump. Or I might just do that another day, carry on taking off the froth from the other branch that fell down. I'll go and get some more bags. Oh, well, the rest can be done with chainsaws. So that was quite good. I'm cream crackered, which is East End English for somewhat fatigued. I'll put these bags down there. I'll go to the dump another day because we're getting close to its closing time. To be honest, I'm going to get up and go and have a drink and probably knock it on the head today. Be back tomorrow, so that'll be another thing. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me what I did wrong, apart from nearly poking myself in the face with that. That's pretty obvious. I always do that. See you soon.